The same thing normally hear me on my Ghana. They will fabricate lies and blackmail you with it. Evil people that call themselves Christians and pastors in this country. Omo plane boni di amount Elvis. Ma woni na ho na de omo ahye omo de ba no enye bi ni we de omo test waters. Ma woni na ho. Bloggers think forward when near to them, so there's nothing they can do for you. Sit up and be consistent. Nyame a wafre wo no obehye wani mu nyam. Ye de nyame asisika no kura me hu ye de so a. Erade masika no next time enye cars tipper trucks makomako 30. E crusade na yo otwe akra ma erade na erade hye no wani mu nyam. So be a sofo. No share them now.